welcome to the weekly stock market webinar. Let's get right in. Let's go to the most important chart. SPY, the ETF of S&P 500, still very bullish. The accumulation distribution is continue to point upward, meaning that's more buying volume than ever. What's my plan from here? Dropping down to it, I think I like to see a shallow pullback to around the 462, daily. Catch up with the 20 EMA around the 463 area will be the area that I like to buy. As you know, I don't trade SPY, I trade the futures. So let's go to my chart. S&P 500 in here, I have mark zone around the 4,600 is a key area. If you go to daily, I think it should be coincide with the 20 EMA area. So around this area, so 4,600, I look to be a buyer. So shadow pullback and then look to be a buyer on that. Okay, so that's the plan. Nasdaq is bullish as well, but is looking, this current momentum is looking a little bit tired now. You can see we had a couple of reversal bar. We got a high test on Friday, so I like to see a little bit of pullback to around just 16,200 area to take a long on Nasdaq. If I can't manage to get into Nasdaq or S&P 500, I would look to trade some of the individual stocks. I think Nvidia is on my list. You can see is very healthy, breaking higher, drop down to a 4-hour. As long as it finds support around the 478, 480 area, then I am happy to look for right price action to take it long to the previous high. Okay. Coinbase is another one that I'm looking to buy, but I said that on crypto. If you like to see what price I like to buy, you can check that out. So overall, I'm still looking for the Santa Claus rally for the stock market. This will be the last video for the stock market this year, 2023. I wish you a Merry Christmas and see you guys in 2024. Thank you.